Hi friends, if you want to crack UPSC Prelims Examination 2025, then in the next 90 days, one thing which you need to master is option elimination tricks. Guys, you must have seen lot of aspirants around you preparing for the prelims examination. My question to you is, when everyone is reading the same books, NCRTs, Lakshmikant, etc., etc., most of you are reading the same coaching institute, current affairs magazines, then what is going to differentiate you with other aspirants? In my experience of cracking the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times, I can tell you one thing which can really make a difference to your score is your ability to apply your knowledge using elimination techniques. Guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to apply elimination techniques inside the exam hall with real case studies from UPSC prelims question, and we are going to take today environment related questions. We are going to take today environment related questions and we are going to decode the PYQs using elimination techniques. I will basically help you to think how to think inside the exam, real time exam, how to think. Guys, I am going to give you all those kinds of unique ideas which you will never find anywhere on YouTube. Guys, watch these series regularly. These series are going to really help you boost your score. Guys, I'm telling you, prelims examination is 50% your knowledge and 50% your ability to apply that knowledge. And I'm going to teach you how to apply your limited knowledge and crack this exam. Let us see this question which come in the UPSC prelims examination previously. Let us read this question, guys. With reference to furnace oil, consider the following statements. Statement 1 says it is a product of oil refineries. Statement 2 says some industries use it to generate power. Statement 3 says its use causes sulfur emissions into the environment. Now, guys, first what we have to do is that there are some rules of elimination technique. One of that elimination technique rule says wherever some is used, some denotes possibility, and generally statements with having some are correct. So we can eliminate option C because it has no 2. So we can eliminate that because 2 has to be correct, because 2 is some, possibility is generally correct. So statement 2 has to be in the answer. Now I'm going to give you a unique elimination technique which you can apply in your exam. Okay, so guys, for this we will use some common sense knowledge also. Okay, so you can see statement 1 and statement 2. Okay, so it says that statement 1 says that it is a product of oil refineries. So if we consider statement 1 as true, then automatically statement 3 has to be true. Okay, it is like cause and effect. Why? Because we have to apply just common sense, common knowledge. Okay, so guys, we all know about BS4, BS5 norms. Okay, Bharat stage 4, Bharat stage 5 norms. What is Bharat stage 4, Bharat stage 5 norm? Basically it is about sulfur emission. On the basis of sulfur emission, we give BS4 norms, BS5 norms to the fuels which we use in automobiles. And all these fuels, they come from where? They are the product of refineries. This means we can easily assume that the product of refineries, they will have sulfur in them. Product of refineries, they will have sulfur in them. So if furnace oil is product of refinery, then obviously guys, burning furnace oil will emit emission, because there are other products of refineries such as petroleum, diesel. They also, when we burn, they have sulfur emissions in them. So guys, if 1 is true, automatically statement 3 is true. If 1 is true, automatically statement 3 is true. Guys, this cause and effect works really in UPSC prelims examination. Okay, you can see this question was so easy. Anyone could have solved this just having some common sense. Some is used, some denotes possibility. This means statement 2 is correct, and statement 1 and 3 has to go together. Statement 1 and 3 has to go together because it is about cause and effect. Okay, if one is true, automatically 3 is true. So always look for those options where one option is related to the other option. Okay, so guys, please do consider liking this video if you like the way in which I have solved this question by applying some common knowledge and common sense. Okay, let us see another question from environment only, guys. Why there is a concern about copper smelting plants? Okay, so you can see here the statement 1 says they may release lethal quantities of carbon monoxide into environment. Statement 2 says the copper slag can cause leaching of some heavy metals into environment. Statement 2 says they may release sulfur dioxide as a pollutant. So guys, here you see they are using the word may. May again is what? Possibility. Copper slag can cause the leaching of some heavy metals. So guys, you can see again possibility. I told you whenever can or some will be used, it is a possibility, it will be correct. Statement 2 is also correct. Now statement 1 although uses may, which is same as statement 3, but here there is use of extreme word called lethal. Okay, lethal is an extreme word. Whenever extreme words will be used in the UPSC questions, generally those statements will be incorrect. So the answer is 2 and 3 only, because copper smelting plants do not release lethal quantities of carbon monoxide. Lethal, the word is lethal. Lethal is an extreme word. So we can eliminate that. Let us see another question, guys. As per the Solid Waste Management Rules 2016 in India, which one of the following statements is correct? Guys, statement 1 says waste generated has to be segregated into 5 categories. Guys, 5 categories. So whenever facts are used, generally those statements are incorrect. So we can eliminate this. The rules are applicable to notified urban local bodies, notified towns, and all industrial townships only. So guys, here you can see all and only. Wherever you will use this word only in the statement, generally those statements are incorrect. Remember, I am going to give you the entire list of words which you have to be very careful when you read the question. If you find these words, eliminate those statements. Okay, so if you want that entire list of words to be given to you, please do like this video and comment in this video that we want all words which we have to look in the question to eliminate options. I am going to make those videos also regularly. Now statement 3 says, C says the rules provide for exact and elaborate criteria for identification of sites for landfills and waste processing facilities. Statement D says it is mandatory for on the part of waste generator that the waste generated in one district cannot be moved to another district. Here guys, the word used is mandatory. Wherever mandatory word will be used, generally those statements will be incorrect. Again, because it is an extreme statement. Mandatory is an extreme statement. So we can easily say that answer is option C. You see, we are using how many techniques in one question. That is why guys, I tell you that mastery of elimination techniques is very, very important. If you just read some elimination techniques and do not apply them, it is impossible to learn these techniques and apply them inside the exam hall. You see how beautifully I have solved this question. Guys, again, I am appealing to you. Please do like and share this video with your friend. And if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe it. So guys, like this, I have analyzed the 25 years PYQ in my PYQ mastery course. If you want access to this PYQ mastery course, guys, you can telegram me on this number, or you can visit to my website optimizeias.com. You can visit to my website optimizeias.com. Guys, this PYQ analysis videos which I have made in this course, which is a theme based videos, there are more than 80 videos. In these, I am not only discussed the PYQs but also discussed the various elimination techniques, and more than that guys, how to develop that mindset. Let me just show you guys the videos which are there in this. You can see here polity 15 videos, history 17 videos, geography 9 videos, environment 6 videos, science 7 videos, economy 8 videos, IR 3 videos, elimination technique. You can see so many videos are there, more than 15 videos are there. They are really, really useful guys. They will help you to develop the mindset. Guys, let me tell you, One thing which has helped me to score one of the highest marks is the mindset. You have to develop the mindset which is required to score marks in the exam. That is what? How to apply your limited knowledge. Guys, I may not have the best knowledge, but if I have the best techniques, then my scores will be the best. And these scores are testimony to this, that even if you do not have the best knowledge, but if you have the best skill sets, then you will be the best scorer in the prelims 2025. So guys, if you want this, again contact me in this Telegram ID and join my Telegram channel. Guys, in my Telegram channel every day I am going to give you free current affairs quiz. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.